This week, you can choose to look through your achieved choices. And if you choose to do Welcome to Batuu, then we'll hit that. And you can start by taking the before reading poll. Disney parks are the happiest and most magical places in the galaxy. Either you agree or disagree, and then give a sentence as to why. Next, we're going to come look at the article. And when we look at the article, we always start by looking at those vocabulary words. So mine might look a little bit different than yours, but my words are alien, alliance, interact, landscape, and smuggle. You can read the definitions, also play them so that you understand how to pronounce those different words. Before I read this, I'm actually going to jump over to the activity. I'm going to hit the print button and then OK. I can even hit this button here to make it larger. And I'm going to preview what the questions are so I have them in the back of my mind while I'm reading the article. The first question is asking about the main idea. So it gives 3 details. You're going to take those 3 details and see which one of these sentences down below would involve those 3 details as the main idea. Number 2, which of these is an opinion? Remember, an opinion is what you think or feel but cannot be proven. A lot of the time, you will find your choices with adjectives. That might be an indicator that it's an opinion. Question 3, author's purpose. So you're looking, were they telling this story to inform you, to persuade you or change your mind, or to entertain you? Which is the closest synonym for the word smuggle? Remember, synonym means the same. And then question 5, the reader can tell from the article that. This is an example of an inference question. It doesn't actually answer it, but it's something that you can conclude after reading the article. Question 6, suppose Anna Maria wants to learn more about Petrified Forest National Park. She would find the most information in. There's 4 choices. Where would you find information about a national park? Number 7, synonym for inspired. When they do a synonym like this and they give you 4 choices, a good thing to do is to replace the word inspired with those and see if it still makes sense in context. Question 8, which passage from the article best supports the idea that acting is part of the workers' jobs in Galaxy Edge? So you're looking for something that would show that they are acting. Now that I have those in mind, I would then go back and actually read the article. After I do that, I'm going to take a look at this thought question for the week. It says, imagine that you are telling a friend about Disney's new Star Wars, Galaxy's Edge in California and Florida. What would you say? Use describing words and phrases from the article in your answer. So you might even start this with dear friend. And then you might say something like, I'm going to share with you what I found when I visited Galaxy's Edge. And then you would use those describing words and parts of the article to explain what it was like. After you do that, you can go back to the after reading poll and you can see if you've changed your mind from the beginning. Do you still agree or disagree? And then a sentence as to why.